Here's a Monte Carlo power tip for the AutoCAD user. Have you ever had this happen? So you've gone to copy a group of things you want to edit. Okay, you've copied it, and then you've done a whole bunch of stuff, exploded the box, erased this, edit that, moved this over here, rotated, say, a whole bunch of stuff, whatever. You've done a whole bunch of things and you've worked on it for a while, and then you zoom out and you realize, oh no, I moved it instead of copying, but I still want to keep the work I've done. What do I do here? Well, here's a good power tip. Grab all these objects, right? Copy them or cut them. Okay, so you've cut them. Now go undo. I just went undo 10 times then, and it goes back to that. So you've got back what you've lost. Now how do you get the things that you've drawn? Well, you paste that, you see? So therefore you can fix this terrible situation.